The Canon Rebel T6 is a well-specified camera for beginners moving up from a compact camera or smartphone who are looking for better image quality and the ability to change lenses. The T6 has an 18-megapixel APS-C format sensor, which provides respectable image quality in this entry-level camera. The optical viewfinder gives an uninterrupted, natural view on the world in front of the lens. The built-in Wi-Fi is reliable and straightforward for quick and easy photo sharing to your smartphone. The Canon T6 produces very nice JPEG images right out of the camera. It's a great value for the price, and a good option for someone looking to upgrade to a more capable camera without a big investment. On the negative side, the T6 lacks features like panorama and time-lapse shooting that smartphone users might be used to. In addition, the pixel-level detail lags behind its competitors. All in all, the Canon Rebel T6 is a no-frills, entry-level DSLR at a very reasonable price that will please JPEG shooters looking to stick to auto modes and share images on the fly.